Hello and welcome back to a new video. A long time no see. Yeah, and today we got something very special. This is also why I just came up with this, hopefully not too long video. Yeah, this is something very special I got out of trade, directly shipped from France. And yeah, I'm very excited, very, to open up this little thing. It's not really that huge, but the inside is a huge thing, at least for me and my collection. Yeah, and you will see in a bit why that is. Now let's just grab this beautiful little knife and open up this little thing. Yeah, we are getting closer. It's very good packed. At least not packed with packing peanuts, because this is the least thing I like. Oh, there it is. Oh, really small, but insanely huge for the collection, I would say. Yeah, nothing else inside. So there it is. Ooh. Enjoy. Oh, this is neat. This is really neat. Cool. Yeah. Oh, you can spot something special here. This looks like the beautiful Apple logo. So yeah, it's something Apple, obviously. Yeah, let's take the knife again and finish this thing also. Yeah, here we go. Ha! There it is. Isn't it cute? It's from France Telecom. Yeah. This is so beautiful and so neat. You see, it's an Apple Djinn. I just learned a few days ago there maybe were some different versions or revision. I'm not sure what version I got, but anyway, this one looks beautiful. That goes just into the modem port. And now, well, maybe you already noticed some similarities with something other from Apple. And I don't mean the sweet little logo. Take a closer look. Yeah, it really resembles something very... Yeah, let me try something. Obviously, I have something here in my hands. Oh, that's heavy to lift. Okay, this was heavy. And there it is. Yeah. Oh my goodness, this thing is small. But can you see it? This little stand here looks nearly exact the same like the one from the Color Classic. And this is also the reason why I wanted this interesting device. It was on my bucket list. Yeah, I would say a bunch of years now. But finally, I got my hands on it. This is so cool. And yeah, it really looks a lot like a Color Classic. Or does the Color Classic looks a lot like this little one? Well, I would say someone in the design office or something like this was a huge fan of the color classic line, or I'm not sure about the history about this thing here, of this thing. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah. I just thought it would be maybe interesting for the one or another one, or well, someone also collecting Apple stuff to see such tiny goodness, so tiny. I wouldn't say it's a unicorn thing, but yeah, for me, or well, let's say here in Germany, I would say for my place, for my area, it's kind of unicorn or so-called unicornish item to get for their own collection. Yeah, it's cool. Yeah, I would say this is it for now. Maybe, yeah, I'm already considering maybe to do a follow-up to get more into details about this little thing. So give me some time. I try to collect more information, and who knows, maybe I can try to hook it up on this thing. Yeah. Oh, this could be fun. Okay, yeah, thanks for watching, and hope to see you again soon with another video, maybe already about this little thing, or who knows, maybe something else. Yeah, got a lot of stuff in mind and maybe on my bench, but yeah. Okay, see you. Bye bye.